What should homeowners know about equity and how can they leverage it? So equity is the difference between the value of your home and the amount of mortgage or debt you have on the house. So if the house is worth $1 million and you have mortgage 500,000 of that home, that would mean you have 500,000 of equity sitting in the home. Equity in the home makes us all have peace of mind. It makes us feel good. Why? Because we know if we sell the home, in the case I just described, if we sell that house for $1 million and we pay off a mortgage of 500, assuming there's no closing costs, we would walk away with 500 of equity, right? So knowing that helps us sleep at night because we've got equity. And if something goes sideways, we can sell this piece of property and earn that equity. Equity comes from paying down your mortgage over time. It also comes from appreciation. So if you bought in an area where values have gone up, not only are you paying down the mortgage to build equity, because the value is rising, you're creating equity for market that you're in. The market is 500 grand and you're able to buy a house for 200 grand because it's burned out fire problem and you renovate it. You could create equity that way because now the ARV after repaired value of that home would likely be around 500, just like the comparables that we just described.